Good morning, everybody. Today, in this video, we'll know about the next portion from this equation of straight line. And today, we'll learn only few about parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and right bisector of a lines. Only about this video. It's very easy also. See, first we'll learn here about slope of parallel lines. Slope of parallel line. In the previous video, I have explained about that slope, gradient, y-intercept, x-axis, y-axis. Already I explained that previous video. So please go through that and then you come to this video. So slope of the parallel lines, how you can find out slope of two parallel lines or more than two parallel lines. In general, we are going to find out here slope of two parallel lines. Okay, see here, two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, when if and only if their slopes are equal, when the slope of the given two lines will be equal, then only we can say these two lines are parallel, just by checking of this their slope. And next, see here, for perpendicular lines, when if and only if the product of their slope is -1. When the product of slope is -1, then perpendicular lines. When the slopes are equal, then parallel. What I said, when slopes are equal, parallel lines. When product of their slopes is -1, then perpendicular line. I would like to explain these two parallel lines and perpendicular lines with examples. See here. First example. Try to go through this question. One line passes through the point -1, -2 and 1, 2, and another line passes through the point -2, 0 and 0, 4. Then we should prove these two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither parallel nor perpendicular. How will identify? See, for that we have to find out what slope. See, first one, slope of the line passing through the points -1, -2 and 1, 2. We know formula for this point y2. In the previous video we have discussed about that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. With this formula we can find out the value of gradient or slope. So here, what is the value of y2? See, this is 2. So y2 minus y1 is -2. Okay, then next x2 is 1. See, simple 1 x2, and formulas minus x1 is, see, -1. Always try to write all the value in bracket. Okay, then if we'll calculate 2 minus is +2, then 1 again minus is +1. So 4 by 2, if we'll simplify, 2. So the slope of the line through this point and this point is 2. Okay, in the same time we are going to find out slope of the next line, that means passing through this point and this point. Same formula, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 0, because y2 is 4 and next one is y1 is 0. Similarly x2 minus x1, so x2 minus x1 if we will do, then 0 plus 2 will come, because minus plus. So 4 by 2 if we will simplify, then 2. See here, the slope of the first line is 2. See here, 2. Then in the slope of the second line also 2. That means slopes are equal. That means these two lines are, the given lines are parallel to each other, because slopes are equal. Okay, when slopes will be equal, then only you can say the given lines are parallel to each other. Okay, next one. See, one more example we'll see here. See this one. Again, two line. One line passing through these 2 points and another line passing through these 2 points. So again we have to find out slope. See, for first line through this point and this point is same formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If we will do, then we will get 3. Okay, and for these 2 points, see here 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 2, then again same formula, y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. If we will calculate it, then we will get minus 1 by 3. See, but here m1 is 3 but m2 is minus 1 by 3, but they are not equal. Now we have to find out their product. So m1 into m2, so that means 3 into minus 1 by 3 will simplify. This 3 and this 3 we can simplify, so minus 1 will come. So m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. That means their product, the result of their product is minus 1. That means the given lines are perpendicular to each other, because I said when their product is equals to minus 1, the given lines will be perpendicular to each other. Clear? When slopes are equal, then parallel. When the product of their slope is minus 1, then they will be perpendicular to each other. We'll see one more example. See here, this one, same question. One line passing through this point, minus 4 comma 2 and 0 comma 3, and another line passing through these 2 points. So again we'll get 2 line. That means 2 slope we'll get. So for first line, again we'll simplify here, y2 minus y1. See, from these 2 points, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It will calculate 1 by 4. Another one for these 2 points. See, again y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It will calculate 4 by 6. But see here, m1 is 1 by 4 but m2 is 4 by 6. That means it will simplify it. See, it will simplify it, the 2 by 3. But see, they are not equal. M1 and here m2 is 2 by 3. They are not equal. And see, if we will multiply m1 into m2, this multiplication will not give us minus 1, because see, both are positive. Here 1 by 4, here 2 by 3. If we multiply m1 into m2, will not get minus 1. That means these given lines are neither parallel nor perpendicular. Is clear? The given lines are neither parallel and not perpendicular, because they are not equal, and as well as their product is not equals to minus 1. Is it clear? Next, we'll see one more example. When only simple this kind of line will be given to you, and remember, when any line will be given to you, you should make the form y is equals to mx plus c. Always when you will get any kind of equation of line, you should present that in this way: y is equals to mx plus c, and you know m is equals to gradient or slope and c is y-intercept. See, already it is given in this way, y is equals to mx plus c. So easily we can count here the value of m is minus 4. That means slope is minus 4. But here question, find the slope of a line perpendicular. That means perpendicular, they are asking perpendicular line. For perpendicular line we have to find out slope. That means, see, we don't know what is the slope of that perpendicular line, so we will consider here the slope of the line perpendicular to given line. Given line means, that means this line is BM, just we consider, and we know when perpendicular, that means the product of the slope will be minus 1. That means this is one slope minus 4, and the required slope I consider it here m. So this one into this one is equal to minus 1. This product of these two slope minus 4 and m, minus 4 into m is equals to minus 1. So if you calculate it, minus 4 will come this side, so m equals to 1 by 4. Is it clear? So for perpendicular, it is necessary to write down the product of the slope is equals to minus 1. We can find out from there the value of slope. Now another one more example. This one. Find the slope of a line parallel. When a parallel line, that means that slope will be equal. So what is the slope of this line? Minus 4. So the required slope also will be minus 4, because we know for parallel line slope cannot be changed, it will be same always. So the slope of the line parallel to the given line is equals to definitely minus 4. For parallel line we are not going to change, It is clear? Okay. Now another one is right bisector. Right bisector of a line. Right bisector means right means here they're considering a perpendicular. Right bisector, that means perpendicularly bisect. See, a line which cut a line segment, into two equal parts, because it is given here bisector, and you know bisector means they'll divide any line segment equal two part, and at angle, which angle? 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because right is given. Is it clear? So this line and this line must be perpendicular. So their slope also will be perpendicular. When two line will be present in the form of right bisector, that means their slope also will be present in the form of perpendicular. Is it clear? For right bisector, the slope also will be perpendicular. Again, I am repeating here. For right bisector of lines, you will get slope at perpendicular. Okay. And with the help of these three, only these three, parallel slope, perpendicular slope, and right bisector, you can complete this next exercise 12.2. All are related to only these three, and but the question type is different. And tomorrow you will get that solution set for this 12.2, and continue to study and don't waste your time. Take care and thank you. God bless you.